Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today, we're installing our nylon offset Gatorback Mudflaps on a 2025 Ram Rebel. Our nylon offsets are the perfect complement to this truck, seamlessly matching the profile of the Rebel's flares and giving you the option to quickly remove the rubber in cases where you need more clearance. And while these Mudflaps were designed for a Ram Rebel, they also work on a Ram HD with OE flares. These flaps are also available with different plate options, like our Ram Text plate, letting you complement the look of your truck. When installing these Mudflaps, make sure to follow along with the included installation instructions in your kit, and make sure that all the hardware listed on these install sheets is present and accounted for. And as a quick note, you may notice that we've taken the tire off the truck in this video. We only do that for the sake of filming. You do not need to remove the tire to install these Mudflaps. With all that out of the way, let's get started on the front of the vehicle. To start, remove the factory screws located on the wheel wells seen here. Please note that this truck previously had a Mudflap on it, so the screws are not present on this vehicle. Now take your flap and secure the hole circled here to the factory hole here, using a sheet metal screw and the outside hole of an offset washer. For clarification, of the two holes you currently see on screen, the Mudflap will be attaching to this one. The factory hardware is removed from the other hole to make sure the Mudflap will sit flush against the wheel well. The other hole will not be used during this installation. Make sure the offset washer is positioned like ours is once it's secured to the vehicle. Attach the top hole of the Mudflap to the vehicle using another sheet metal screw and the center hole of an offset washer. Now install the rubber portion of the Mudflap into the channel on the nylon upper. Once in place, make sure your Mudflap is level. Level the flap while lifting it up as close as possible to the cladding protrusion you can see here. Then tighten the previously installed fasteners to hold it in place. Once you have it in place, double check that it's still level. Then, use a 1/4 inch bit to drill a hole into the liner, using the innermost hole as a guide. Attach the flap to this hole using a cap screw and offset washer. Secure this hardware from behind using an offset washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. The hardware securing the Mudflap from the back can be seen in the following clip. Next, using the last hole in the Mudflap as a guide, use a 5/16 inch bit to drill into the plastic factory molding. Make sure you only drill into the first layer of plastic on this molding. Do not punch through the back of the mold. Attach the flap to this hole using a cap screw and a flat washer. Secure this hardware from behind using a flat washer and a flange nut. Refer to the following image to see what this hardware looks like fully installed. Now, one last time, check that the Mudflap is level. Then make sure all fasteners are fully secured. We suggest you tighten these fasteners by hand, and be careful not to over tighten any of them. Once you've done that, the Mudflap is installed. Repeat these steps for the passenger side of the vehicle. Once you're done that, we can go ahead and install our rear Mudflaps. To install the rear Mudflaps, start by removing the 3 factory screws located on the wheel well, seen here. Once again, this truck previously had a Mudflap on it, so the factory screws were not present for this installation. Now, go to the top of the flap, secure the hole there using a sheet metal screw, and the outside hole of an offset washer. Move on to the next hole and secure it using the same hardware. Double check that your offset washers are positioned the same way they are in the video. That way, they can apply proper pressure onto the correct part of the flap, holding it tight to the body of the vehicle. Secure the next hole using a sheet metal screw and flat washer. Now install the rubber portion of the mud flap into the channel on the nylon upper. Once in place, make sure your mud flap is level. With the flap level, take a 1/4-inch drill bit and using the 3 remaining holes as a guide, drill holes into the liner behind. Once the holes are drilled, start at the top of the flap and attach that hole to the vehicle using a cap screw and offset washer. Secure this hardware from behind using an offset washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. Attach the next 2 holes to the vehicle using the same hardware, but secure this hardware from behind using a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. The hardware securing the mud flap from the back can be seen in the following clip. Make sure your mud flap is still level and secure all fasteners. We suggest you tighten this hardware by hand and be careful not to over tighten any fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.